Hello children, hope you all fine. Lesson number 5, Adaptations in Plants. Why do plants need to adapt? Because to survive. The natural home of a plant or an animal where they live is called habitat. So, for example, some places are dry while others receive plenty of rainfall. So, to survive in such different and extreme conditions, plants develop certain special features through adaptations. For example, some plants show adaptation for nutrition. They attract, capture, kill, and digest insects. Such plants are known as insectivorous plants or carnivorous plants. Non-green plants such as coral root and Indian pipe do not have chlorophyll. They absorb food from dead plants and animals as they cannot make their own food. Normally, plants can prepare their food by itself, that is photosynthesis. But here, some plants that are called non-green plants, so that will absorb food from dead plants and animals as they cannot make their own food. That is called non-green plants. Now let us see what are the different types of adaptations in plants. So plants are divided into two groups: terrestrial plants, aquatic plants. Now let us see the terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants grow on land. They are found in different habitats such as deserts, plains, hills, marshes, forest, and coastal regions. So let us see one by one. Deserts. Some examples of deserts plants are cactus, date palm, and acacia. Hills. Pine, fir, and cedar are the common trees that are found in the hills. Marshes. They have plenty of water with clayey soil. So, marshes is a wet land near lakes, rivers, and seas. So, trees such as mangroves grow in marshes. Plains. Plains are large areas of flat mass of land. Plains have a moderate climate that is neither too cold nor too hot. Plains receive sufficient rainfall. Trees such as mango, banyan, shisham, and gulmohar grow in plains. Forest. Forests have rich varieties of trees, shrubs, and herbs. So many forests are the habitat of various birds and animals. Grasslands. So grasslands are large areas of land that are covered with thick grasses and small plants. So they do not receive much rainfall. Small trees are scattered throughout the grasslands. A wide variety of wild animals are found in grasslands. Coastal regions. Coastal regions are the areas near the sea. Plants in this region grow in sandy soil and wet climate. The water available in these regions is generally salty. So, these are all the terrestrial plants. Now, let us see about aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. These are of three types: floating plants, fixed plants, underwater plants. So now let us see floating plants. Floating plants can freely float in water. Some common floating plants are duckweed, water hyacinth, and water lettuce. Fixed plants. These aquatic plants have roots fixed at the bottom of the waterbed in the mud. So, lotus and water lily are examples of fixed aquatic plants. Underwater plants. Underwater plants remain completely under the water. They are also known as submerged plants. Examples of underwater plants are hydrilla and tape grass. Okay, children. So, adaptations in plants, having different types of plants and different types of places. So, they need to adapt according to their surroundings to survive. I hope you understand this lesson. Thank you, children.